In this video, I explain how to name the variable in Python. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Now let's start. First rule: you cannot enclose it in quotation marks. For example, suppose age is the variable name and you enclose in quotation marks and assign age is equal to 2. Enter. Use print command to print the result. Hit on run button. Here is syntax error. Cannot assign literal means you cannot assign quotation marks when you name the variable. Second rule: you cannot have any spaces in it. Suppose that age you can see here is space in variable, here is space. Here is syntax error, invalid syntax. So second rule is you learn that there is no space between the name of variable. When you assign name of variable in Python, there is no space. Remember that. And there is no quotation marks. Third rule: it cannot be a number or begin with a number. Suppose 5 age is equal to 4. Enter. Age. Hit on run command. Syntax error, invalid syntax. Age variable name. The third rule to be remembered that variable name did not start with numeric figure or it is not consist of numbers. Numbers means like 55 is equal to, you cannot assign numeric number as variable name. And fourth rule is a variable cannot be Python reserved keywords like print means such keywords that to be used in for operating commands in Python like and, as, assert, class, def, del, with, elif, alice, if, false, so on. Like if you use such words, Python did not run your program. Error will appear. Suppose that if I assume if as a variable, if syntax error. So a variable name can contain only lower letter, upper letter, numbers and underscores. For example, age is equal to 4. Print age. Here is the answer 4. So this is the right name. You write variable name without any space and without any quotation marks. So if you want to create space among your variable, then write that age underscore hit on run command. Here is answer is 4. So when you want to create space, so you fill this space with underscore. So I want to create here space among A and G, so I write it as A underscore G E. So this is the right name. Capital letters are fine, but carefully, variable names are case sensitive. For example, I write here age, but first word is capital. Enter. So when I write here capital word, when you print your command, be careful that here you use capital word, not small word like AGE, so it produce some errors. So this is capital words, the names are case sensitive, so you can not written as. I take another example. Here is Khanewal, a city name. K is in capital letters and others are small letters. I assign value here 5. I use print command to print the results. Here I use small word Khanewal. Hit on run command. Here is error. The name Khanewal is not defined. It can say the name error name, because when you provide variable name, here you use capital word K. So this is case sensitive. Remember that if you can use capital words and small words, there is no issue in Python. But by assuming variable name, you remember that where you use capital word, when you use print command or you want to take result, you use the same spellings and capital and small words. So the best way to assign multiple word variables with variables like that, Statistician Club is the name of my YouTube channel. So this is couple of two words, so I write here statistician underscore, because there is some space exist. Club is equal to, if I assign any values, so here is statistician underscore club. So this is the right way to assign the name of variable. Use underscore sign if you have your name consists of multiple words. If you want to see videos on how to use print command in Python, how to increase size in Python, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.